Did you know that cats have a peculiar and fascinating attraction to a particular plant? It's true. Many of our feline friends are drawn to this specific herb like bees to honey. But interestingly, this magnetic pull isn't universal among all cats. It's a curious phenomenon that's quite common but not all-encompassing. At this point, you might be wondering, what could this plant possibly be? Well, hold your breath, because it's none other than, yes, you guessed it right, it's the famous catnip. Catnip, also known as Nepeta cataria, is a member of the mint family. This perennial herb, native to Europe, Asia, and Africa, has made its way across the globe and is now commonly found in North America. It's known for its heart-shaped leaves, white or lilac flowers, and of course, its distinctive aroma. And it's this very aroma that makes catnip so intriguing. While we may enjoy the scent of catnip in our herb gardens or as an essential oil, it's a whole different story for our feline friends. But more on that later. Catnip isn't just popular among cats. It's also been used in traditional medicine for its sedative effects on humans. And did you know? Even insects like mosquitoes are attracted to catnip. Researchers have found that it can be more effective than DEET in repelling these pests. But the real question is, why do cats love catnip so much? Cats are attracted to catnip due to a volatile oil it contains called nepetalactone. This seemingly simple compound is the secret behind the feline fascination with this mint family plant. Picture this. A cat strolls leisurely into a garden, sniffs out a patch of catnip, and then goes wild, rolling, flipping, rubbing, purring, and eventually zoning out in a state of bliss. This behavior, often described as euphoric, is triggered by the nepetalactone in catnip. But how exactly does this happen? Well, when a cat gets a whiff of catnip, the nepetalactone molecules travel up the cat's nasal passages and latch onto the receptors in the olfactory epithelium. This is the area responsible for sense of smell. From there, the nepetalactone stimulates sensory neurons, which then send signals to the brain. Interestingly, the part of a cat's brain most affected by nepetalactone is the amygdala, which is involved in emotions and decisions, and the hypothalamus, which plays a role in behaviors associated with the cat's survival, such as hunting and eating. This is why a cat under the influence of catnip might exhibit behaviors like hunting imaginary prey or simply indulging in an eating spree. Now you might be wondering, does every cat go nuts for catnip? The answer is no. Sensitivity to catnip is hereditary, and about 1/3 of cats don't respond to it at all. Additionally, kittens less than 8 weeks old are not affected by catnip and may even show an aversion to it. The reaction to catnip can also vary greatly among those cats that do respond. Some might become hyperactive, others may calm down, and a few might become aggressive. It's important to remember that, like with humans, every cat is unique and will have its own individual response. So the catnip effect is almost like a feline version of hallucination. It's a fascinating example of how a simple plant can have such a profound impact on our feline friends. Did you know that? While it might seem like your feline friend is getting high, catnip is completely safe for cats. This intriguing herb, often found in toys or sprays, has a profound effect on our furry companions. Now you might be wondering what exactly happens when your cat encounters catnip. Well, the effects can be quite varied. Some cats will roll, flip, and frolic in pure delight, while others become incredibly relaxed. It's all due to a chemical compound called nepetalactone, which triggers these responses. But don't worry, it's not addictive. Your cat won't crave catnip or experience any harmful effects. It's a safe and natural way to provide enrichment for indoor cats, keeping them active and stimulated. And remember, not all cats react to catnip. It's a genetic trait, and about 1/3 of cats are simply indifferent to it. So now you know why your cat goes crazy for that little green plant. Please don't forget to subscribe and like it. So catnip is more than just a treat for your feline friend. It's a fascinating plant that taps into the very essence of what makes cats, well, cats. From the stimulating effect it has on their senses to the playful behavior it encourages, catnip truly is a cat's best friend. It's not just entertainment, it's science. And there you have it, why cats love catnip. If you found this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe and like it. Until next time.